Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. This week I have for you another tutorial. I'll be showing you how I achieved this cute look, again using all Daily Charme and clear jelly stamper goodies. So without further ado, let's jump in. The first thing we'll use here is color number 901 from Daily Charme's Charm Gels, which is a cute whitish purple, absolutely adorable. Of course, if it was on a real hand, we'd go with a base coat first. Then we'll grab their Chrome Effect gel because today we are going to add chrome powder to some of the nails. The chrome powder we're using is the Lilac Mirror Chrome, which I cannot wait to try out. And look how pretty this color is. To apply it, we'll use Daily Charme's silicone tool and see how well it works. OMG! Two things. The scrum shade is everything, and the combination between the silicone tool and the chrome gel we applied beforehand makes the powder apply flawlessly with no effort whatsoever. I love it. Once done with the powder, I like to dust any excess with a small fan brush, barely touching the nail. Next up, we'll apply the 5-in-1 straightening gel, which will ensure that the powder won't chip or crack, and then top everything with the Diamond Shine top coat. Once that is all done, I also like to clean the powder that stayed on the skin using alcohol and a lint-free wipe. Now for the stamping, we'll grab our Clear Jelly Stamper silicone mat as always, and the plate we'll use is CJS 132, put a little swirl on it, which really makes my heart happy because y'all know how much I love swirls. And we will use this image right here. I am so sorry for the glare. These are the two stamping polishes we'll use. Number 2 called Jenny's Gonna Love It, and number 16 Shiraz. First with the inside of our image. And the outside in white. And we conclude by sealing it all with the same gel top coat we used previously. So that's it for this tutorial. Let me know in the comments what else you'd like to see on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!